You may have heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. If you're an active person or engage in weightlifting or high-intensity activities, I'm going to tell you why your pre- and post-workout nutrition is more important. With the widely available information nowadays, it can get very confusing what to eat before and after your workout. Today, we're going to break down exactly what to eat to fuel and to recover from your workout. There are two basic guidelines you should follow for a pre- and post-workout meal. The first one is it should not contain excessively difficult to digest foods, such as highly fibrous vegetables or excessively fatty foods. The second guideline is it should be a moderate meal. It shouldn't fill you up all the way, and it shouldn't be a tiny little meal that you feel hungry within 5 minutes. When you eat your pre-workout meal and what you eat for your pre-workout meal completely matters. So different times you eat requires different types of foods you should try. Right now, we're going to break down what you should try eating at different time windows before your workout. So about 2 hours before your workout, you want to try to choose foods that are a little bit slower to digest. In front of me here, I have steak and potatoes. So I have a lean cut steak, which is flank steak, and air fried potatoes. These are slower digesting food sources than to my right here, which is a basic chicken, rice, and avocado meal. For your steak and potatoes meal, you want about 170 grams of air fried potatoes and about 140 grams or 5 ounces of a lean cut steak, like flank steak. If you want to eat about 1 hour before your workout, you want to choose some foods that are a little bit quicker digesting. So here to my right, I have a standard chicken and rice meal. So rice is a little bit faster digesting than white potato is, and chicken is also a little bit leaner and digests a little bit easier than steak does. On the side, I have just an ounce of avocado, which allows us to slow down the digestion just a little bit. So your portion sizes for your chicken and rice meal, you want about 1.5 cups of white rice and about 140 grams of cooked chicken breast and about 1 ounce of avocado. If you only have about half hour before your workout, you want to choose fast digesting food sources. Try a cup of cereal with a scoop of protein powder and a half tablespoon of almond butter. These are fast digesting food sources which let you get the energy and protein you need right before your workout immediately. So why do we eat primarily carbohydrates and protein before our workout? So carbohydrates serve as a fuel source and allow for insulin secretion. Insulin is an important hormone which prevents muscle protein breakdown during your workout. With protein breaks it down into circulating amino acids within your bloodstream, which then enter your muscles. These amino acids serve as hypertrophic growth signals which allow for muscle protein synthesis during your workout and also additionally prevent muscle protein breakdown. So right after your workout, your post-workout meal should be within 30 minutes and should consist of a fast digesting protein like whey protein again and a simple carb source like a banana. The simple carb source here helps shuttle the protein again into your muscle to kickstart the repair process. So about 1 to 2 hours after your simple post-workout meal consisting of whey protein and a simple carb like a banana, you want to have a solid meal. So an ideal solid meal here is actually similar to your pre-workout meal. So you can try the steak and potatoes meal once again, or the chicken, rice, and avocado meal. Both of these meals are highly suitable for your post-workout nutrition after already consuming your immediate post-workout shake. One thing you really want to avoid is consuming your immediate post-workout meal, such as your whey protein and banana, and then eating your solid meal right after that. So what happens when you do this is the solid meal really slows down the digestion and affects how well you absorb the whey protein and the banana that you ate right after your workout. So what about hydration? One thing you need to avoid is chugging a huge bottle of water right before your workout. That's not how you get hydrated. If you want to be hydrated for your workout, you need to drink a large amount of water throughout the day. So for men, try to drink about 4 liters of water per day, and for women, try to drink about 3 liters of water per day. Start drinking your water in the morning, right before you eat breakfast, and continue drinking small amounts until before you go to bed. This ensures that your body stays adequately hydrated throughout the entire day. If you want to maximize your gains in the gym, you really do need to consider what time your body needs these nutrients. Really optimize your pre- and post-workout nutrition if you want to get the most amount of muscle for your effort. I'm Allan from SNU, your sports nutritionist. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. There are 2 basic guidelines. Can you see my fingers if I do this? Or water is the best. You don't want. I'm Alan from your pre-workout meal food timing. So if you're gonna